What's up, everybody? Welcome to the build series for Sema of our 2015 Audi S3. We're gonna do about 5 to 6 video series, so definitely follow along. This is gonna be super fun. I'm very excited. I mean, I've been going to Sema the last 4 years, so it's awesome to be partnered up with Top Gear Tuning from the UK to be in their booth and hang out with those guys. So it's gonna be a super fun time, and I'm going to walk you through kind of what we're going to do on the build as far as aesthetics and a couple other things like that. So let's get into it. All right, so we're going to do a livery on the car. I have it almost 100% finished. Basically I'm going to do like a German flag type theme on the hood with logos from Top Gear Tuning as well as German Elite Tuning. And then we'll do some logos on the side, you know, here and there. So it's gonna look really cool when it's done, and it's gonna look great in their booth. Install some H&R springs, so it'll give us a little better stance and appearance. We're also gonna do some wheels, which I have some pretty sick wheels picked out for this thing. Right now, it's on my Stage 2 Pops and Bangs tune with Flames. PBF, and it's been running really good. I have a couple people running it right now as kind of testers, so I'll be releasing that very shortly here. But you know, just kind of walk around the car. It's still in great shape. I mean, this thing still looks really good. A little bit of a, like a blemish type thing right here on the bumper, but all in all, I mean, it still looks great for 180,000 miles. Yes, I said 180,000 miles. This thing has been a trooper the last couple of years I've owned it, pretty much daily driving it, and it's a super fun car. I really like it a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the rundown on what we're going to be doing as far as the kind of build, getting it ready for Sema. It's going to get a detail from Matt and Mimi at Revive Auto Detailing, so that'll be really good. And then yeah, we'll work with a few other partners on it, get a couple more things done. But this is definitely going to be a super fun build series. Quick interior check. There's the mileage right there, 186.26. You know, the interior's still in really good shape. Seats kind of got a little bit of wear, so I gotta kind of figure out something here, what I want to do, whether I'm gonna replace this or, you know, try to get it cleaned up. Other than that, I gotta do a door handle, interior pull handle, so that's gonna be one of the next videos. Start button, there's a couple just small little things I'm gonna tidy up, but other than that, I'm super stoked to be part of this, and I hope you guys are too. Follow along. It's gonna be a great series. Also make sure to check out our Instagram at GetWatkins, and then you know, obviously subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. So let's keep going.